Hi, I am Christian Evardo. My town was Talibon, Bohol, Philippines. I study at Talibon Polytechnic College. So, what's up? What are we waiting for? Let's go. Living in a town blessed with its biodiversity inspires me to be one of agriculture students. I want to encourage the youth to be passionate in agriculture, like farming, soil cultivating, and animal farming, so that someday no more starving families and everyone will no longer suffer in poverty. Because I believe that farming is not just a job, but it is a way of life. This is Christian Evardo, BS Agriculture. Let's go.